Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel from CLNP Fiber Manufacturing. Last time we have studied regarding work problems. For today, I will discuss to you regarding uniform motion problems. This is also related to physics subjects. So you are expected to learn how to apply the three relationship of motions. Here we go again. I will discuss to you regarding the three relationships of motion. The first one is the rate or the speed times the time is equal to distance, or distance is equal to time times the speed, or time times the rate. Okay, so as you can see here in the triangle diagram, the distance is equal to rate times time. Okay, or distance is equal to times the time times the rate. Okay, now for the second relationship we have here, as you can see guys, distance over rate is equal to time. So distance over rate is equal to time. See, and the last relationship or the third relationship of motion is we have here, distance over time is equal to rate or speed. Okay, rate or speed. Okay. So, to understand further regarding this three relationship of motion, we will apply this formula for some word problems regarding motion. Okay. So, I have here example 1 regarding motion problem. As it state there that what average rate of speed, so we're talking speed or the rate, what average rate of speed must a car travel to cover a distance of 300 kilometers in 3 hours? As you can see in the problem guys, if you look, what are the given data as mentioned in this problem? First, it was mentioned distance, to cover a distance. How much is distance? 300 kilometers, okay? And time to travel, it's also given here 3 hours. So by applying the relationship of motion, we can use, since the required is the speed, so we can use the third relationship. Okay, so the formula for the third relationship is rate. Okay, solution. Okay, rate or speed. Okay, rate or speed is equal to distance over time. Okay. Over time. Okay, so how much the distance traveled? It was mentioned there, 300 kilometers. Okay, 300 kilometers. Okay, and the time to travel is given 3 hours. Okay, so how much the speed or the rate to cover a distance of 300 kilometers in 3 hours? So 300 divided by 3 is 100 kilometer per hour. Okay, or kph. We usually wrote in this kind of expression for kilometer per hour or kph. So this is the simple answer to this problem. Okay, now to understand more, I will give you some another motion problem related to this three relationship of motions. Okay, hello guys, we're back again. As I mentioned earlier that I will give you another example regarding motion problem. So I have here example number 2. It states that 2 buses leave a station. Okay, so there are 2 buses who are planning to leave the station. The first bus is traveling to north or northbound, going to north at the rate of 60 km per hour. And the second bus or the other bus is going to south or southbound at the rate or speed of 65 km per hour. The second bus is a little bit faster compared to the first one because it's 65, the other one is 60. Now, in how many hours will they be 375 kilometers apart? Okay, so as you can see in this problem, we can use some algebraic expression or to solve this problem. So let x will be the number of hours each bus traveled. Okay, so here I'm showing you some tabulated table using the relationship of motion. Okay, rate times time is equal to distance. So the direction here is northbound and the southbound. Okay, the first bus or going to north, the rate is 60 km per hour. Okay, times the times which is unknown. So this will be x, our variable, and the distance will be rate times time. So 60 times x is equal to 60x. So this will be the distance of the first bus that is going to north. The second bus is going to south. It's having a speed of 65 km per hour, a little bit faster compared to the other one. Times the time which is unknown. Okay, so the distance traveled to the second bus going to south will be 65 times x. Okay, this expression. Okay, now to figure out this one, I will show you some diagram related to this relationship or two buses. So here at the beginning, this is the station. Okay, this is the station. This is the beginning of the two buses who are leaving, going to north, and the other one is going to south. Okay, so the distance traveled by this bus to the north is equal to 60x, and the other one, the second bus going to south, distance will be 65x. Okay, as you can see in this table mentioned here. So the distance traveled by the second bus going to south will be 65x. X is the variable, which is our unknown. And the total distance between these two buses from north to south will be 375 km. Okay, so from 375 kilometers, the total distance. Now, to make some algebraic equation showing this relationship, we have here the distance, okay, of the first bus going to north is equal to 60x. Okay, plus the distance traveled by the second bus bound to south, plus 65x. Okay, which is equal to the total distance between the two buses traveled from going to north and south, which is equal to 375 kilometer. Okay, so knowing this expression, we can apply the algebraic principles by collecting the like terms. 60x plus 65x will be 125x. Okay, is equal to 375 kilometer. This is the distance divided by over 125. Okay, cancel. So the x value will be equal to 3 hours. 375 divided by 125 is 3 hours. Okay, so meaning the number of hours for each bus to travel is equal to 3 hours. So from this station, the first bus that is going to north, the number of time required to travel of the first bus going to north is equal to 3 hours. Okay, and the other one, number of hours to travel the second bus going to south is 3 hours. Now to prove this value, whether 3 hours is a correct answer, this is the final answer of this problem. Now to check this to prove or to check this problem using this expression, okay, to check whether our answer is correct, 60x, okay, plus 65x is equal to 375. Okay, 60, how much the value of x? 3 hours. Okay, plus 65, x is 3, is equal to 375. We want to know whether the value, answer the value of x is 3 hours is equal to 375. 60 times 3 is equal to 180, plus 65 times 3 is equal to 195 kilometer. 195 is equal to 375. Okay, 180 plus 195 is equal to 375 kilometer, which is equal to total distance traveled between the two buses, 375 kilometer. So meaning to say, our final answer or our value of x, which is 3 hours, is correct based on this checking. So the final answer for this problem is 3 hours. Okay guys, so I hope you understand this problem regarding motion problems by applying the three relationships, or by applying the relationship between the rate times time is equal to distance, as you can see in this table. So I hope it will be helpful some students who are studying high schools, even in college as well. So kindly subscribe also, and please don't forget to follow or subscribe our channel so that you won't miss out our next future videos regarding some mathematics, higher mathematics we are discussing in the next time. So again, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.